sport, I believe, in general, for every child, it's a fun way to teach them a work ethic to get to a level they want to be. So initially, that's all it was. Like, you want to rail that corner better? Okay, how do we rail it better? We watch YouTube videos, we watch Reedy, we watch Villo, we watch the guys of that time, watch what they did, and then we replicate that to get our technique better. And that's all I ever did as a parent, was just try to teach technique to keep my kids safe and try to create, go down and do 20 figure eights, do slow races. And so the aim was just to create a work ethic so that they would be successful in life. Nothing to do with really being a pro sportsman, you know?
It's a pretty big journey, you know, when you're in the moment and stuff. It's really easy to get caught up in everything going on, but like when, you know, rewind it 10 years ago and we were inviting friends over, ordering pizza, and we watched the Supercross, you know, on a Sunday night or Saturday night, whenever it was, Australia time. So from that point till here, it's like, words can't even explain how big and how far apart it is. But obviously, you know, every day and everything we've done's gotten us to this point. So when you look back, everything seems like a flash, but you know, when you're in the trenches and stuff, it's like, feels like things have just taken so much time and this and that. But I mean, we wouldn't be here if we didn't love it. So I think the passion for the sport's one thing that's been really good, and if we didn't have it, I think, I don't know if we would be as good as we are either, just because we enjoy riding our bikes so much. So.
It was a crazy roller coaster. We didn't have much money to start off with, going from Australia. We had to sell everything and make sure we got everything sold so we had enough money over there. And it was a little rough in Europe. We didn't have heaps of money, and we were doing not too bad, but when Kawasaki went down and then we went to Suzuki, it was still not too bad, and then Suzuki ended up closing down and we ended up struggling. We had to ask my dad's mum and dad for some money because, we were struggling and in that last year, and thankfully Geico Honda gave us an opportunity to come over here, because this was the main picture and the big picture really, to come to America, do Supercross and outdoors. And no, we're definitely lucky to be here where we are now, like nowadays. But yeah, just coming to here was just a roller coaster. It was definitely crazy. We're living on the edge basically. So, but I think that's what made us succeed so much more, because we had nothing to go back to. So we really had to make sure we would succeed.
The one thing that makes me happy is we had a go. You know, I would hate to get to 70 years of age and not, I wonder if I would have tried. And that's one thing we will never, ever not try. You know, the Australian emblem is a kangaroo and an emu. It's physically impossible for those animals to take a backward step. That's why they are our national animals for Australia. And that's one thing an Australian will never, ever take a backward step. So for us, it was just, let's have a go and just focus on no contingency plan. So no, I look back now and think, wow, you know, I'm pumped that we had a go. You know, and I take my hats off to every other family that's involved in this sport, you know, and having a go, because it's a gnarly sport to get involved in.